Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and this is my weekly update for the Stitchy Carousel package. I hope this video is finding everybody doing well today. The package is moving right along. We have had no problems whatsoever. It is going to be at the 7th person tomorrow, so we are halfway through. The 7th person is Michelle Garrett, Bindi Stitchy. It has been a blast watching all of the unboxings. I have really enjoyed it, and I have got feedback from a lot of people saying that they have really enjoyed watching what everybody takes. It's not only fun to see what they take, but it's fun to see if anybody takes some of your things that you put in there. And, it's just an all-around fun type of a swap. So I do appreciate everybody that has participated in it, and I just wanted to come on and let everybody know that it is still progressing. There have been no problems. Like I said, we're halfway through. I am the 15th person, and it's at the 7th person's place tomorrow. So anyway, I'm going to have everybody's names, as always, down below in the description with their YouTube channels. If you have not subscribed to them to watch the unboxings, please do. They are fun to watch. They're really quick videos, so they don't take a lot of time. And yeah, so anyway, I will be back next week with another update, and I figure we probably have a couple of more weeks, possibly 3 weeks left before I will do the final unboxing, so as it seems to be going right now. But we did have a holiday which slowed it up at that point. So anyway, I just wanted to do this quick update for you and let you know that it is progressing, that there have been no problems, and so everybody, see where you are on the list, and you'll know how much longer it gets to you. And thank you so much for your patience. I do appreciate it, and I appreciate all of you that are watching and all of you that have participated in the Stitchy Box. So until next week, everybody have a great